Chapter 1 Bank Correspondence. Number 1 Introduction. Bank is an integral part of trade and commerce, economic dealings, and financial management of any nation. From the common man to a big industrialist, from an actor to a politician, every person takes the services of banks. The functioning of banks reveals the economic condition of any nation. Banks perform two main functions: to provide finance and to receive money. Along with various services, banks provide ultra-modern facilities such as online and mobile banking facilities. As a result, banking facilities have become speedier and customer-oriented. The Reserve Bank of India formulates rules for all types of banks such as nationalized banks, cooperative banks, private banks, industrial banks, and agricultural banks to regulate them. The Reserve Bank of India also instructs all these banks as and when required. Current accounts and savings account holders can take the advantage of banking services. Number 2. Bank correspondence. Any communication with bank should take place in a simple style, precise language, and in a prescribed format. Secrecy should be maintained as it deals with money matters. Precision and punctuality are highly needed in bank correspondence. In the bank correspondence, the account number and the type of the account, means saving or current account, should be clearly mentioned. Another important thing is that the date must be written in the letter. As and when any amount is to be mentioned in the bank correspondence, then it should be written in figures as well as in words. Generally, the amount in words is written in the brackets. Normally, communication with the bank takes place for the following two reasons. Requisite letters written to the bank. Letter written to open an account. Letter written to stop payment of the check. Letter written to get overdraft. Letter written to close an account. Letter written to open a demat account. Letter written to get educational loan. Letter written to get locker facility in the bank. Letter written to get facility of credit card, debit card, or ATM card. Letter written to inform the loss of credit card, debit card, or ATM card. Complaints letters written to the bank. Letter complaining about the wrongful dishonor of the check by bank. Letter drawing attention towards an error in the bank statement, that is, passbook. Letter complaining about the rude behavior a bank employee. Number 3. Examples of bank correspondence. Number 1. Letter to open bank account. Normally, no letter is written to open a bank account. Applicant has to fill the prescribed form. Information is to be provided along with required documents. The filled form is to be submitted to the bank. The bank scrutinizes the form and asks the applicant to deposit a minimum amount and opens the account. Study the following form and everything will be clear. Number 2. Letter to open a demat account. Phone number, mobile number, name, address, date, the manager, name of the bank, address, subject, to open a demat account. Dear sir, I have held a saving account number with your bank for the last 6 years. Bank has introduced various new schemes and customer-oriented services, as a result of which reputation of the bank in Lunawada area has increased. Recently, the online banking and demat account opening campaign launched by your bank has received a good response. I also desire to open a demat account for trading in share market. I want to connect my demat account with my saving account number with your bank. I assure to obey the rules and regulations required to open a demat account. I shall maintain the minimum quarterly balance of Rs 5,000 as per the conditions of the demat account. Herewith, I enclose a duly filled in demat form, 2 photographs, photocopies of license, PAN card, and a check for Rs 500 to activate the demat account. As soon as the demat account is opened, I request you to send its password and customer ID so that I can operate the demat account. I expect a prompt procedure in this regard. Enclosures 4. Yours faithfully, signed Number 3. Letter regarding the stop payment of a check. Phone number, residential, mobile number, name, address, date, the manager, name of the bank, address. Dear Sir, subject to stop payment of check number. I have held account number with your bank for the last 12 years and I operate it regularly. This letter is written to confirm the telephonic talk held in the morning regarding the stop payment of a check. The check number is written in the name of Mr. Shrikant Joshi, dated 19 July 2017 and drawn with your bank of rupees 10,000. I seem to have lost or misplaced. I am worried as it is a bearer check. If the above mentioned check is presented to the bank by anyone, please do not make the payment of the said check. I have full faith that you will take prompt action in this regard. Thank you. Yours faithfully, sign. Number 4. Complaint letter to the bank for the wrongful dishonor of a check. Shamrest novelty. Phone number, name, address, date, the manager, name of the bank, address, subject, wrongful dishonor of check. Sir, we have held a current account under the name Shamrest Novelty account with your bank for the last 9 years. All the financial transactions of our business are operated through this account. The check drawn in favor of Pratibha Stores, Somnath, for rupees 12,000, bearing the check number dated 15 July 2017, was presented by the trader to the bank, but the amount of the said check was not credited in his account and the check was returned with the remark insufficient balance. We drew the check considering the last entry in the passbook. The passbook shows a credit balance of rupees 50,000 both on the day of the check was drawn and today. Yet my check of rupees 12,000 was dishonored. It is a very serious matter. Kindly look into the matter and let us know. Because of the carelessness of the bank, the prestige of a business firm suffers and it prevents financial transactions. We request you to be more careful and see that such incidents do not occur in future. Thanks. Yours faithfully, sign. Number 5. To obtain the facility of debit card, credit card and ATM facility. Mobile number, name, address, date, the manager, name of the bank, address, subject to get debit card or ATM facility. Sir, for the last 4 years, I have been holding savings account number with your bank. All my financial transactions have been carried out through this account. I have been associated with the business of dress material and dupattas for the last 10 years. I have to travel throughout Gujarat and out of Gujarat to purchase material. I have to pay in cash, so I have to keep a big amount with me while traveling. I request you to issue me a debit card or ATM card that provides the facility of withdrawing money from any city. This will provide safety of money too. I would like to know what proof I shall have to present in the bank so that I can have my debit card or ATM card as early as possible. Thanks. Yours faithfully, sign. Number 6. Letter informing the loss of debit card, credit card or ATM card. Phone number, mobile number, name, address, date. The manager, name of the bank, address. Subject, loss of debit card, credit card or ATM card. Sir, I have a savings account number with your bank for the last 3 years. All my financial transactions were carried out through the debit card or ATM card number. My office is located in Thaltej, SG Road. I use BRTS facility to reach office. This morning, I withdraw rupees 3,000 from the ATM of your bank at Thaltej Cross Road. Thereafter, my debit card or ATM card bearing number is lost. I have immediately informed on the toll-free number to block it. I humbly request you to instruct the concerned department so that no one can use the card and I do not bear any financial loss. Thanks. Yours faithfully, sign. Number 7. Letter drawing attention towards error in bank statement. that is passbook. Phone number, residential. Mobile number, name, address, date, the manager, name of the bank, address. Subject, error in the bank statement, passbook. Sir, I have held a joint savings account with my wife. Bearing number, with your bank account for the last 9 years. All our financial transactions are carried out through this account. We get the details of each and every transaction carried out with the bank through a quarterly statement provided. I would like to draw your attention towards an error in the last statement, April 2017 to June 2017, provided by the bank. On 16th April 2017, we deposited Rs 17,000, but the amount is shown as debited. Its effect is found in the quarterly interest we have received. As per our calculation, the interest amount should be Rs 1,956, but the entry made is shown as Rs 1,622. I request you to send a rectified statement after due verification of both the entries. Thanks. Enclosures, copy of statement. Yours faithfully, sign. Number 8. Letter informing of closure of the account. Phone number, mobile number, name, address, date, the manager, name of the bank, address. Subject, to close the account. Sir, for the last 12 years, I have held a saving bank account number with your bank. Due to the personal and business purpose, we have decided to settle in a foreign country and are living in the near future. So I don't need savings account with you, bearing number, anymore. In addition to that, there is no possibility of financial transactions in this account in the nearest future too. That is why I request you to close my above mentioned savings account from today itself and also make some arrangement to give my credit amount to me. I am returning unused checks number 2 of your bank to you. I would like to appreciate the services rendered by the employees of the bank. I thank all the employees of the bank. Enclosures, unused checks. Yours faithfully, sign. Number 9. Letter to avail locker facility in the bank. Phone number, mobile number, name, address, date, the manager, name of the bank, address. Subject, to avail locker facility in the bank. Sir, for the last 7 years, I have held savings account number with your bank. I have received all facilities from the bank. I appreciate the services of the bank. But at the same time, I have had dissatisfaction for not having the facility of safe deposit in the bank. I am very happy to know that the bank is being shifted to its own new independent complex where all types of facilities will be provided to the customers. I have heard that the bank also offers the facility of safe deposit vault at the new premises. I want a locker to keep important documents, costly gold and silver jewelry, ornaments and other valuables for safekeeping. I would like to know the size of the locker, its rent, required documents to be presented in the bank to open locker and the procedure for the same. Please let me know all these details so that I can visit the bank at the earliest and avail the facility of locker. Your cooperation is expected. Yours faithfully, sign. Number 10. Write a letter of complaint regarding rude behavior of the bank employee. Phone number, mobile number, name, address, date, the manager, name of the bank, address. Subject, complaint regarding rude behavior of an employee of the bank. Sir, I hold saving account number for the last 5 years. I appreciate the services the bank has rendered to me during that period. For the last few days, I find a deterioration in the services of the bank. Even the behavior of some of the employees has become a cause of dissatisfaction among customers. The incident happened 2 days ago and is shameful for the bank and a matter of serious tension for account holders. The state government has sanctioned a scholarship to me for higher studies which was to be credited in my savings accounts number of your bank. Considerable time has passed since the order from the state government was issued, but the amount of scholarship is still not deposited in my account. So I approached the concerned employee who has been dealing with this affair. The said employee misbehaved with me and put an unreasonable demand, making me feel insulted and also suffer a mental trauma. I request you to look into the matter and take strict action against the concerned employee. Yours faithfully, signed. Number 11. Letter to get overdraft. Vishwakarma Associates. Phone number, mobile number, email, address, date, the manager, name of the bank, address, subject, overdraft facility on account number. Sir, for the last 13 years, we have been your account holder, bearing current account number under the name of our firm, Vishwakarma Associates. All our financial transactions are operated through this account. I am glad to let you know that the Japan-based ABC multinational company has placed a huge order to buy our products. To execute the order within a stipulated time, we need to purchase 2 big machines for which we require rupees 12 lakhs for a short period of time. We desire to get the said amount in form of an overdraft from the bank. We are ready to furnish required securities and documents against it. You may refer to the details of our current account and you would come to know how regular and punctual we are with the bank regarding financial transactions. A positive and prompt reply is expected. Yours faithfully, signed. Number 12. Letter to obtain educational loan. Phone number, mobile number, name, address, date, the manager, name of the bank, address, subject, request for educational loan. Sir, I hold a savings account number with your bank for the last 8 years. I have taken benefit of all services of the bank, which I sincerely appreciate. The state government and your bank have jointly introduced a scheme of educational loans for weaker sections of the society. Under this scheme, I too desire to get loan for higher studies of my daughter. After completing graduation, my daughter has got admission in the reputed institute, the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. The fees for her entire education is rupees 12 lakhs. It is inevitable for me to seek an educational loan to meet the expenses. Please let me know the necessary procedure and required documents in this regard so that we can keep them ready, which makes administration of borrowing loan smooth and prompt without delay. Cooperation is expected. Yours faithfully, signed.